Target on the scope, steady at 10 miles. Confirmed. Course adjustment plotted. Execute at waypoint. Monitor traffic. Traffic clear, ETA 2200. This lashing is secure. Check the locks on this one. Looks good. Moving on. Tools secured, moving to next station. Sea condition stable, no issues.
Roger, proceeding with checks.
All right, team, safety briefing. Eye on the decks, watch your step. Got it. Any new hazards? Just the usual. Secure loads, report issues. Sounds good. Good. Let's move. This tea is good.
It is. The sea looks calm.
Let's hope it stays that way.
It should. We're on schedule.
Good. I'll check the engine. All lifeboats are secure and equipment is in place.
Confirmed. Moving to inspect the safety equipment.
Checklist updated. All clear. All right, check your harnesses. Adjust the straps. Straps are tight? Good. Now practice the hand signals. This is stop. Stop. Understood. Perfect. Secure to the container. Clipped in. Starboard stack secure, moving to next. Copy that. Checking midsection. Seas are calm, good for passage. Aft deck clear, proceeding to bridge. Acknowledge, keep watch. Will do. All clear to port, clear to starboard. Horizon is clear. Confirmed. Maintaining course. All right, crew, this is the emergency muster point. Understood. Standing by. Move quickly but calmly to the starboard railing. Moving to the starboard railing. Good. Report when in position. In position. All clear to port. Clear to starboard. Horizon is clear. Confirmed. Maintaining course. Vibrations are stronger. Keep monitoring. Copy that. Levels are still rising. No alarms yet. Stay sharp. Understood. Watching closely. Wind's picking up. Tighten that harness. Got it. Straps are secure. Good. Now secure that loose rope. On it. This wind is relentless. Let's check the gear one more time. Captain, storm cells are growing larger and intensifying. Understood. Plot a new course. Recommending 20 degrees starboard, sir. Make it so. Monitor the cells. Pressure spiking, valve straining. Copy, copy, adjusting the bypass now. It's not enough, the vibration is worse. I'm on the main feed, hold it. Steam's building, prepare for shutdown. Storm mass is critical, alerts everywhere. Warning.
Turbulence makes safety pulsating, controls established.
Stabilizers at partial, brace for impact. Hold the railings tight, wind's picking up.
Got it. Waves are rough today.
Stay close to the line, safety first.
Copy that.
Wind's picking up. Compensures, hold hostage, yeah. Copy.
Monitoring.
Good. Stay sharp.
Strap it down, now! Whoa! Slipping! I got you! Hold on! Got it! Secure the crate! All hands, brace for impact! Lightning in crate power! Divert all non-essentials! Shields to maximum! Keep together! We're not done yet! Captain, back! Bridge zone, breeze, and turbulence! Red breeze, trip over, west front, detonates! All breeze warning! Just brace! She's listening! All hands, brace! The hull's vibrating like crazy. Systems are spike bang. Pressure's redlining. I can't stabilize it. Out grenade. No gauge. Whole team's hold for now. The rain's blinding. Hold tight. Wind's pushing. Container shifted. Keep moving. Almost there. Lights flashing. Watch out. Mayday! Mayday! Hull breach on deck 3. Thruster saying power at 4 shields. Rerouting power. Come on, you sluggish beast. System's critical. We're losing her. Core is smashed! Splash! Shields are buckling! The storm is overwhelming us! Initiating emergency vent! Hold on! It's off! Systems are failing! Whoa! Wind's too strong! Look out! Container's shifting! It's misaligned! Cartridge loose! Secure it! Before it breaks loose! Alarm smoke, wait! Radar's blind! Bogies everywhere! ECM failing! Signal the wing! We need cover! North south phase! Base head back! Hold on!
The hull's breached! Move, now! Copy, it's rising fast! To the evac bay! Go! Right behind you!
Go! To the central shelter! Watch the containers, they're moving! Wind's too strong, stay low! Inside now! Everyone in! Holder's running! Almost there! Fight it!
Bridge, engine room, systems critical, overload imminent. Confirmed. Vibrate extreme. Initiate emergency procedures. Override sequence now. Override active. Stabilizing. Bridge, status report.
Everyone, get to the safe zone now!
Copy that, we're coming in. Holding the line here.
Stay low and hold on tight. All accounted for, zone secure.
Cargo bay breach, what's the status?
Cargo is gone, lost to the storm.
Halt! Partners
Have to evade.
No, Poway, prepare for full evasive. Arms escalating. Storm's closing in.
Hold still, I'm wrapping it now. It stings, but I'm okay. Vitals are stable, let's secure it. Almost done, just hold this pressure. Thanks, feels better. Vibrations are spiking, we need to stabilize now.
Rerouting power, levels dropping.
Good, fewer warnings now.
Recovery phase initiated, systems green.
Excellent work. Monitor for fluctuations. Hold still, wrapping your arm.
It stings.
This will help. Just breathe. Thanks. The rocking is making me dizzy. It's manageable. Hold on. Easy does it. Watch for shifting debris. Copy. Base of the stack is clear. Good. Check for cracks in the upper beams. Roger. Looks stable from here.
Hold still, I'm checking your pressure.
It aches, but I'm okay.
Your vitals are steady. Rest now. Open up for me.
Thanks, Doc. Look at this mess. Half the stack is bent. I'm noting it. MSCU 452 date, crush corner. Water's pouring out everywhere. Document total loss.